Okay, so I positioned an old towel on the floor, and then one of those giant trash bags, like I said. And you can see the base of this is that's what you want to lift, and that's what you want to put right in here. So I kind of elongated it and I rolled it down on the side. So ideally, I want to set this down right in there, and then roll up the sides, and then close the whole thing in the plastic bag. So he might. I'm just gonna position the camera here. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see underneath what I'm gonna show you what it looks like under that toilet. I hope it's not horrible. I'm gonna put the camera here, and I'm just gonna lift that up, the toilet, put it in the bag here, and hopefully it'll go right in there. Hopefully I won't hurt myself lifting this thing. Okay, so lifting that, putting it right in the bag, rolling up the bag over the toilet, and that worked out super slick. So the bag is that quick. Here's the flange. Okay, so it's really not that bad looking. I did the double wax ring. I know they say not to do that. I did it anyway. So it doesn't look like a horrible mess. I was a little afraid since I plunged it pretty powerfully that there would be water, and we're gonna see once we clean all this off, we're gonna see what's up here. We're gonna see the state of the flange, the metal flange. We're gonna see all that. So we'll see how it's looking here. But that putting the toilet in the bag worked perfectly. So yeah, get a huge one of those really large yard trash bags, trash waste bags, roll down the sides, kind of put it out on your floor there, lift your toilet straight up, bring it over, put it right in the bag. That's gonna, and then just carry it out to the garage or wherever you want to put it before you throw it away. So that's gonna save you, yeah, big time. So we're gonna do that, take it out to the garage, and we're gonna clean up the flange there. Yeah, we'll be back.